Super bougie coffee maker.
Just a coffee?
Right. Never seen a bougie coffee maker like that.
Damn, hot milk?
What? Cafe latte, milk froth? It even makes milk froth. Hot water, coffee pot. I never had a latte, whatever that is.
I think the lattes with milk. I'm not even sure there's milk in here, so I'm not.
It says change it in 3 days.
I'll say just do regular coffee.
All right.
Because honestly, I'm not.
Okay, cool. Espresso is what's supposed to wake you up, right?
Yeah, I think espresso's like that.
All right. So, grinding, what? Houston may have a problem. Oh, it's still grinding. Man, that's awesome. Stop. Oh, okay. It's not dispensing. Okay, there it goes.
Spook shit already.
This thing is the truth, bro.
Oh, look, it says dispensing.
Yeah.
It's an espresso.
And we got espresso. Super bougie. Oh, the thing goes back up, dog.
That's so gangster.
What? Boy, broke people. But we appreciate everything.